Another comfortable evening is in store for us here in central Mississippi. Right now, taking a look over downtown Jackson, 58 degrees, that wind out of the southeast at 6 miles an hour, so feeling pretty nice outside right now, still well above where you would expect us to be for this time of year. Live IMAX 12 not picking up on anything but a few clouds. We will keep those partly cloudy conditions as we go through this evening. And looking at those lows, average low for this time of year is 43 degrees. We're going to be about 10 degrees above average in many places. 52 here in Jackson, 54 in Port Gibson, 56 over in Natchez, 57 in Macomb, and 53 in Hattiesburg. And tomorrow, another warm day with those high temperatures reaching the upper 70s, 10 degrees above that average. Once again, 77 in Jackson, 78 in Mendenhall, 78 in Hattiesburg, and a little cooler up in Carthage, 75. While tomorrow we're going to have those warm conditions, we're also going to have to get some breezier conditions in. There's going to be a cold front that starts moving towards our area on Monday, and out ahead of that cold front, we're going to have some gusty conditions. So looking at those wind gusts starting at Sunday at noon, just 10 to 15 miles an hour. But notice as we go through the day on Sunday, they'll hold pretty steady there. But going into Monday, those wind gusts start picking up 23 miles an hour. Just this model, of course, it's not going to be exactly this, but this model is picking up on the potential for greater than 20 mile per hour wind gusts going through Monday. And by the time we get to Monday afternoon, notice some values closer to 30. As that cold front gets closer, we're going to have those gustier conditions sticking around, and they will continue. The winds will continue to be gusty going throughout much of the day on Monday until that cold front eventually passes on Tuesday. Also for Monday night, there is a chance for some severe weather. Areas west of the interstate, generally west of the interstate, are under a marginal level 1 out of 5 risk. Now, I'm not too concerned about this. We could just see a few damaging wind gusts and some heavy rain. Not anticipating any major severe weather. Just be mindful we could see some damaging wind gusts, especially Monday evening and for those areas west of the interstate. So let's time out that rain for you. Moving forward to 6:30 Monday, you can see that line of showers and storms progressing towards our area. It will continue moving pretty slowly by 9 o'clock, progressing almost into the state of Mississippi. And then as we get closer to midnight, Jackson will get in on some of that rain, and then our areas to our east as well, and the Pine Belt. This will last mostly through Tuesday morning. And then you'll notice here, most of these showers and storms will continue to train over the Pine Belt region. So while all of us need the rain, the Pine Belt does look to be the ones who will see the greatest amount as we go through the next couple of days, Monday night through the day on Tuesday. Now, then that's what the Futurecast is predicting here. Higher amounts further south and east, while everywhere else could see at a ½ inch to an inch. Those locally higher amounts will be in our southeastern counties. Also, we're going to look at the cooler temperatures that are coming from this cold front. We will get the rain on Monday as that front moves through. Then behind this one, there will be another cold front that makes its way towards the state of Mississippi, and that will bring some more polar air, colder air. Those temperatures are going to dip down to the 40s for those low temperatures, maybe even to the upper 30s by the time we get to the end of this week. So we'll look at some of those temperatures as we go through the rest of the week. Those highs in the upper 70s and the low 80s. For the beginning of the week, dropping down 56 degrees for that high on Thursday. That's below the average, and then we will slowly climb going through the rest of the week. Also taking a look at the tropics, Tropical Storm Sarah is about to make landfall as a tropical storm near Belize. It will stay down there. It will not impact us here in Mississippi, except for the fact as it moves towards the north and east, some of this moisture may get caught up in this cold front, and that is part of the reason why the Pine Belt could see some higher amounts. But taking a look at that 8-day forecast, it's looking pretty nice tomorrow. It's just going to be warm. As we move into Monday, that rain re-enters the forecast, especially Monday evening into Tuesday, and then Wednesday through the rest of the week. We're looking at some cooler temperatures, especially more seasonal temperatures for this time of year, and those lows are going to dip down to the 40s. Stay with us. We'll be right back after the break.